Hey everyone, it's Will Bowers with Allison James Estates and Homes. I am at 6110 Oust Lane in Woodbridge, Virginia. This is a updated 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home for sale with a fenced-in backyard. Let me show you around. You do have a 1-car garage and you do have a driveway. There's also street parking available for you to use. Also, I do want to point out, new roof. House has been freshly painted. And let's just get inside. House was recently updated. And just taking off my shoes because, well, that's how my grandmother raised me. Don't bring the dirt in, she would say. So we are in the living room, and you do have vaulted ceilings. A vaulted ceiling in this room, I should say. And a gas-powered fireplace. Now here we are in the dining room. I get new flooring throughout. And the backyard. Now you do have a storage shed back there, though I have to let you know the shed is sold as is. Now I'm going to go back to the front of the house and work my way around. Now, as soon as you come in through the front, like I said, here's the living room. You have the dining room right here. You also have a little bit of a den that has multiple uses. I'm thinking office space, video game room, well, video game lounge, I would call it. My girlfriend might be thinking some other uses herself, but you get the idea. There's a lot you could do with this room. And then here we have the 1-car garage. And again, the driveway, you could fit 2 cars, street parking. Oh, you know what? Before I leave the garage, here's your utility closet. So hot water heater, HVAC system. Now this is where your laundry room would be. So you have your washer and dryer hookup, and there is a half bath available as well. Now your kitchen, new appliances, new countertops, it's been updated. There is a lot of prep room, a lot of storage room. There's just a lot in this room. Then you have your breakfast. Now there's a couple of things you can do with this. Traditionally, you can go with a breakfast nook. If you want to replace this with something that's maybe a little higher, you can make this into a smaller living room, kids play area. I've seen some people turn this in kind of a, again, depending on the living, they just turn this area into a little library for the kids. And then the backyard as well, and give you a better view of the backyard. I just don't have my shoes on, so I don't want to drag mud into the house. But again, to show you, backyard is fenced in. And I can hear my grandmother going, don't bring the dirt in. Yes, Grandma. Again, I love just a lot of prep room. So if you've got family visiting for Thanksgiving, or just a gathering, plenty of room, plenty of storage. Now also in here, you have your pantry, and now your coat closet is back here as well. Another cool thing I like about this as well, what I'm thinking what you could do with this is right around here, you could put some shelving. I've seen some people actually convert this into a little bit of drawers. And so you might have put some stuff in there that might be seasonal, that you still, or stuff that you need, but you don't need every day. So it's a cool thing about this house is that it's offering a lot of options. Oh, and by the way, back to the living room. Skylight, sky window. I like it. Now we're going to head upstairs. New carpeting. 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms are up here. You have 1 bedroom in here. And I forgot to turn. Now you do have 2 closets. This is the 2nd bedroom. And the if you're going in order of biggest, this would be the 2nd bedroom. Both closets do have their own lights. View of the backyard. By the way, I love the feel of new carpet on my feet. I know, it's a weird thing. Maybe it's a realtor thing. Here is the 3rd. This is going to be the 4th bedroom in terms of size. And show you the closet space in here. And there actually is an overhead light here for this closet. I just forgot to turn it on. Don't mind me. And then this is the 2nd bedroom. Again, the closet space that you have in here. And then here is your 2nd of the 2 bathrooms in the upper level. I'm just going to say this. I love the use of the black faucets, the shower, to offset with the white. Because I've seen some people, I mean, if you go with chrome or silver, that does look cool as well. But going with the darker ones just kind of sets a little bit of a tone, breaks everything up. Now this is just a cover of some sort to something, so this is not an ashtray, do not worry about that. No smoke. I think the contractors are finishing up, so there's small little touch-ups that are still being done, but this house is pretty cool, so I wanted to show you right here. Now, here's your linen closet. Now we're going to walk into the primary bedroom with the primary bathroom. Here's your 2nd fireplace. Your walk-in closet. A couple of the cool things I do want to mention. You're not far from 95. You're not far from shopping. You're not far from, Fort Belvoir and Quantico. They're not next door, but you're not looking at a very long drive compared to them. Rush hour traffic can play impact on that, but they're within a half hour generally. Here's your primary bathroom with your shower. Now you see what I mean? With this one, they went more of the chrome style. I like, and this is just a personal preference. You have your tub. Personally, I think the place is pretty cool. But tell me what you think. Anyways, if you are interested in this home, let me know. We can set up a showing. If you do have an agent, have them reach out to us. We can set up a showing for you as well. But thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.